Welcome to the world of blockchain 5.0. This is the newest and the most sophisticated blockchain in the world today. So this is the picture from IMF, published on IMF blog on 2099. So this picture describes the transformation of money, that is describe the transformation of the culture of human being. And this is about evolution of money. We learned that bartering was done since 6,000 years ago, before Christ, and physical objects for trading. It means commodity currency was used since 1000 BC, and then paper money was introduced on 806, and the gold standard, it means the earliest banking system. They collect gold from society and they give the people a paper like notes. So we call it banknotes, and it was introduced in 1816. And then credit cards was started in 1950, and electronic money is used since 1994, and cryptocurrencies begin in 2009. And why now we have cryptocurrencies in society? We need to learn about the function of money. First, we use money as medium of exchange. The second function of money is to measure of value. The third function of money is the standard of deferred payment, and the fourth function of money is store of value. And about store of value, we have question mark. Is it still correct? The function of money can be store of value today, because the inflation is everywhere in Indonesia and in every country around the world. So the interest of bank deposits, they only adjust the inflation rate, and the buying power always decline, always decrease. So this is the visualization about the decreasing of fiat money. Like, for example, the buying power of 100 US dollar in 1990, we can buy a lot of products with $100. And 10 years later, in the year of 2000, $100 only can buy half of the amount of products that we can buy 10 years before. And now in 2020 and 2021, $100 can buy only a small amount of products. And this is the visualization of how the digital money can really save the value or store value. For example, in 2018, 3 coins can buy not so many products, and in 2019, 2 coins can buy more products, and in 2020, 1 coin can buy more and more products. So the pioneer of the first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, and in 2009, 1 Bitcoin equal to 1,000 rupiah, or less than $1 US. And in 18th of October 2021, 1 Bitcoin equals to 870 million rupiah, and today it is more than 970 million rupiah. So this is a brief history of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009, and it was only 21 million coins available on the market. And in the history of Bitcoin, someone in 2010 bought 2 pizzas with 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, the value of 10,000 Bitcoins is more than 10 trillion rupiah. So in 2016, the value of Bitcoin has passed the value of gold. It is more and higher than gold. This is the chart, the price chart of Bitcoin in October 20, last month. On that day, 1 Bitcoin is 910 million rupiah, and the market capitalization is more than 17,000 trillion rupiah. This is the historical data for Bitcoin in rupiah, and cryptocurrency is the digital gold. If we compare Bitcoin with gold, on March the 3rd, 2017, 1 Bitcoin equals to 1 ounce of gold. And 4 years later, on 20 of October 2020, 1 Bitcoin equals to $67,277. It is more than 1 kilogram of gold. That is $57,286. So if people holding 1 ounce of gold 4 years ago, and they hold the gold for 4 years, today they have only 1 ounce of gold. But if they swap, it means they change gold to Bitcoin in 2017. Today, the Bitcoin price is increased until more than the price of 1 kilogram of gold. And this is the comparison. If people invested $1,000 5 years ago, and they use $1,000 to buy gold, today the gold price is $1,300. So they will get profit 30%. If they buy the share of Google, they will get profit 300%. If they buy Amazon shares, they will profit 480%. And if they bought the shares of Apple, they will get profit 510%. And if people bought Tesla shares $1,000 5 years ago, today they will get profit 1,800%. And if they buy Bitcoin five years ago with $1,000, today they will get profit 14,800%. And if they bought Ethereum with $1,000 5 years ago, today they will get profit 216,000%. So the Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin is increasing very high. But actually, Bitcoin was produced using blockchain technology version 1.0. And that was the oldest blockchain in the world. And it has many problems, like low speed, less scalability. It means the more user, the slower the speed of Bitcoin, and high cost, and also many hackers attack the blockchain 1.0. So what is the solution? We need the cryptocurrency because it really can store value of money, but we need the improvement of the blockchain technology. So here it is, the Relictum Pro Blockchain 5.0 with high speed. It has the high speed transaction from 100,000 transactions per second up to 1 million transactions per second. It is scalable with more users. The speed still high, and it is low cost and also very safe. So blockchain 5.0 is already the present, not the future anymore. So this is the blockchain 5.0, speed, security, and scalability. And this is the comparison about 5 generations of blockchains. The first generation of blockchain is the blockchain of Bitcoin. It doesn't have smart contract, so it cannot be programmed to make another application. It can be used only to create cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and it is very slow. And the second generation of blockchain is the Ethereum blockchain. It is only twice faster than Bitcoin blockchain, but it has smart contract, so it can be used to program some application and also other cryptocurrencies. And the third generation of blockchain is faster than Ethereum, and the fourth generation improves the speed and security. And the fastest blockchain today is the Relictum Pro blockchain. And this is the more detailed comparison about generation of blockchains. The first generation is the Bitcoin blockchain. The block size of its data is very big, like 1 megabytes. 1,024,000 bytes per block. So it is big and slow. The speed of first generation blockchain is only up to 10 transactions per second, with node filling speed is 10 minutes. The second generation blockchain is Ethereum. Its block size is half of Bitcoin. It is 512,000 bytes, and the speed is up to 20 transactions per second, and it takes 5 minutes to filling nodes. The third generation of blockchain is EOS. The block size of EOS is 1,028,000 bytes, with the transaction speed is only 1,000 transactions per second. And it's quite fast. It takes 5 seconds to filling the node. And the fourth generation of blockchain is Silly, with block size only as small as 256 bytes, with transaction speed more than 1,000 transactions per second. And it takes 3 seconds to filling the node. And the latest generation of blockchain is the fifth generation of blockchain. It is Relictum Pro, with the block size 1 per 8,000 size of compared to Bitcoin blockchain. So it is only 120 bytes. And it is the very high speed blockchain with more than 1 million transactions per second. And it takes half to 1 second to filling the node. So it is very fast. And the Relictum Pro blockchain 5.0 solve many problems faced by the previous version of blockchains. For example, the previous generation of blockchains consume electricity very much. And the blockchain 5.0 already use the lower cost, the lower energy. So it is energy saver blockchain. And the previous blockchain produced cryptocurrency with very high transaction costs. But in blockchain 5.0 with Relictum Pro, we can save many people can save money because the transaction fee is very low. And between the cryptocurrencies that use blockchain 5.0, the transaction fee will be 0. And also the security issue, because of the previous generation of blockchain facing many attacks from hacker, and with blockchain 5.0, one block equal to one transaction. So the verification is 100% safe. So the blockchain 5.0 solves many problems. With the new technology called Hypernet and the new consensus called proof of stake. So this is the new method invented by Relictum Pro. And what industry need to use the blockchain 5.0? For example, the medicine, pharmacy, and health industry. Education, business to business, business to consumer, logistics, transportation, banks, financial industry like security, insurance, and also the energy companies, oil and gas, electricity companies. All of such industries need to use blockchain 5.0 because Relictum Pro offer very good benefits, and it is outstanding benefits. The first benefit is the high transaction rate, over 100,000 transactions per second and up to 1 million transactions per second or more. And the distributed registry and network scalability is very high. The third benefit is the security and robust type of the HyperNet network. And the fourth benefits is the ability to integrate third-party system into Relictum Pro platform. It means Relictum Pro has bridge application. So it enables banks or corporates to integrate the blockchain 5.0 technology without creating a new application from scratch. So it is better and save cost and also time. And Relictum Pro services today, they have Relictum payment. It is like the billing application using cryptocurrency. The second is decentralized database. The third service is personal digital safe deposit. It is like the cloud server based on blockchain 5.0. The fourth service is the decentralized random number generator. So it is like the password or private key generator. The fifth service is instant smart contract. And the sixth service are wrap coins. It's called Relictum Bitcoin, Relictum Litecoin, Relictum Ethereum, and USDR, the USD version from Relictum. And the future application and services will be developed more. So how the business model of Relictum can get benefit for us? For the contributor or supporter of the development of blockchain 5.0 technology, Relictum Pro issued the Genesis token. So the contributor or investor can get the Genesis token to support Relictum Pro development. And there are 10 billion units of Genesis token. And during private sale, the investor can buy 50% of the whole GTN. It means 5 billion units of GTN available to sell on private sale. And now there are 1.3 billion GTN has been sold so far. And how the GTN owner make profit? So Relictum sell the products and services of blockchain 5.0, and from the revenue that company receive from the selling of blockchain 5.0 network and also digital safe selling, the GTN owners get royalty distributed by 19% of the portion of the revenue from the blockchain network, and from the digital safe selling, 30% distributed to the GTN owners. And the digital safe deposit selling is increased from 2023 to 2024. So the income of node holders or the GTN owners will be earned from network maintenance, digital safe sellings, and also creating smart contracts that will be used by many companies around the world. The amount of reward to the nodes in the Relictum Pro network will constantly grow, because Relictum Pro now already has the ecosystem. It's called Relictum ecosystem, and it consists of the 3 types of cryptocurrencies: USDR, Genesis token, and also Relic coin. And the Relictum DEX. DEX is decentralized exchange. That is the marketplace to buy and sell up to 500 cryptocurrency pairs. And also crypto bank. That is the crypto bank that offer the service like banking, to send money, to exchange money, but using cryptocurrencies. And also Relictum storage, that is the distributed file system, like the cloud server based on blockchain 5.0. And Relictum also has crypto chat, that is the chat or messaging system based on blockchain 5.0. And why we need to join Relictum Pro? Because the businesses around the world move to cryptocurrency based or blockchain based. And according to Forbes, in 2021, the world experienced the high growth of NFT system. NFT is non-fungible token. It is the digital certificate of intellectual property right and also artworks. And in 2020, the decentralized finance market grew by 388%. So Relictum Pro Blockchain 5.0 provide ready infrastructure for the growth of non-fungible token system to create the digital certificate for intellectual property rights and also artworks, and also anticipate the DeFi market growth. And Relictum Finance is here. It is digital money for digital age. And Relictum Finance offers stability using USDR, a stable coin, because the trading industry or the payment industry needs stable coin. The second feature is transparency. The value of USDR reserve is published daily, so people can know the value of USDR in circulation. The third feature is integration. It means Relictum provide application programming interface that enables corporates or any businesses to integrate the USDR payment system with existing application easier. And Relictum provide 100% support. It means every USDR coin is backed up by 100% fiat money with the same value. And Relictum Finance use blockchain 5.0 that provide high security, transparency, very high speed, and free transaction. And the sixth feature is the security. So blockchain 5.0 use the very reliable security system. And Relictum Pro now has already produced several cryptocurrencies using blockchain 5.0. So we have GTN, Genesis token, Relic coin, USDR, and also Rep coins. Rep coins means when Bitcoin rep using blockchain 5.0, Bitcoin has very high value, and the blockchain 5.0 provide high speed transaction. and lower cost transaction. So it is very good combination if Relictum can wrap Bitcoin. So it's called Relictum Bitcoin. And we also have Relictum Litecoin and Relictum Ethereum. And the value of Genesis token will increase from time to time. And the amount of GTN tokens are finite. It was issued only 10 billion units of GTN, and only 50% of them is available to investor during private sale. So the value of GTN will increase from time to time because the nodes of Relictum network will be more than 1 million nodes by 2024 to serve 14 billion transactions per year. And this is the diagram to see how the structure dynamics of transaction that increased very high from 2023 to 2024. And Relictum has been well known around the world because Relictum is very active to participate, support, and also sponsor many blockchain expo around the world, like World Blockchain Summit in Dubai, World Blockchain Summit in Bangkok, Blockchain Live 2019, 2020, and also 2021 in Moscow, and also Malta Artificial Intelligence and Blockchain Summit. This is Relictum, presented Relictum non-fungible token at Blockchain and Bitcoin conference in Moscow by October 29 this year. And this picture is from Blockchain Live 2020. It was taken by October 27th, last month, in Moscow. So we can see that the biggest company in financial market like Visa and MasterCard also support Blockchain 5.0 Relictum Pro. So what is the benefits of the early adopters? And we can learn from the pioneers of Bitcoin. This is Jared Kena. He bought 5,000 Bitcoins at the price of very low price, only $0.2 for one coin. So total for 5,000 Bitcoin, he bought only $1,000. And today, the price of 5,000 Bitcoins is more than 5 trillion rupiah. And it's not only Jared Kena. So these are some Bitcoin pioneers: Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, Tony Gallippi, Roger Ver, Charlie Shrem, and they are Bitcoin millionaires. And Eric Finman is the youngest Bitcoin millionaire in the world. He bought Bitcoin when his age is 12 years old, and he bought 403 Bitcoins. Today, his assets worth more than 360 billion rupiah in rupiah. Okay, so that is the story of Eric Friedman and some Bitcoin pioneers. So how we make money with Relictum Startup Laboratory? So we can describe the project of blockchain like the toll road or highway. So if this toll road highway project successful, the toll road will be used by millions of cars every day, and every cars will pay the toll fee. So we can imagine if we have the shares on these toll road projects, of course we can get the very big profit. So the blockchain 5.0 is the toll road or highway of billions of data, information, transactions, and digital assets. So if we can get shares of these projects by owning the GTN or Genesis token, we can get a very good value of profit. For example, this is Jonathan. He bought 3 million GTN at the price of 13,500 2 years ago, and it will gain the value of his GTN will become $203,733 by 2024. So this is the package of GTN in rupiah. We sell the Grand Plus package 3,500,000 rupiah, and the GTN will increase in 12 months to be more than 8 million rupiah, and in 5 years the GTN value will become 678 million rupiah. So that is for the smallest package we sold in Indonesia. So the profit for 1 year can be about 250 up to 300% per year. And in 5 years, the investor can get profit more than 20,000% for 5 years. So this is the elite package. The price is 175 million rupiah. This week, the elite package still can get 824,000 units of GTN. And in 5 years, the value of GTN can grow up to 37 billion rupiah. And Elite Plus is 350 million rupiah. And the investor can get more than 1.6 million units of GTN. And in 5 years, the price of GTN can grow to be more than 77 billion rupiah. Royal package is 875 million rupiah. The investor can get more than 4.7 million GTN. And in 5 years, the value of GTN can grow more than 220 billion rupiah. And Royal Plus is 1,750 million rupiah, or 1.75 billion rupiah. The investor can get more than 9 million units of GTN, and in 5 years, the GTN units can grow more than 470 billion rupiah. This is example of my GTN. For one account, I have 100. For one account, I have 1,023,751 GTN. On 15th of October, the value of my assets is $12,354. And on 25th of October, my assets grow to $22,357. It is included GTN and USDR. So today, we have more than 90,249 participants of Relictum Lab, and the fund raised today achieved 8,073,900 USDR. So this is the Relictum Pro Blockchain 5.0 on the news. This is the news on Yahoo Finance. Blockchain 5.0 from Relictum Pro dazzles the audience at Blockchain Live Forum 2019 in Moscow and heads to Dubai. This is also Yahoo Finance. In October the 1st, 2019, Relictum Pro wins the best blockchain startup at D-Days in Spain and received 50,000 euros investment from Dr. Ivan Singh Luthra and startupstudio.online. And it's also on Associated Press. And this is the presentation of Relictum NFT. And this is the news from 4Clock Media. 4Clock is the leading blockchain and cryptocurrency media. And this is the Bitcoin Insider that cover complete information about Relictum Pro. It covers what is Relictum Pro and how it changed the game, Relictum Pro tokenomics, Relictum Pro products, Relictum Finance, Relictum Lab, Relictum Decentralized Exchange or DEX, Relictum Storage, Relictum Chat, And the interesting part is the conclusion made by Bitcoin Insider. The Relictum Pro platform is rightfully considered unique and innovative. There is currently no protocol offering instant and free transactions on the blockchain other than Relictum. Besides, platform users can get single access to a full-fledged ecosystem. And by October the 9th, the Forklog published that Relictum ecosystem launched its own NFT marketplace. On October 15th, Forklog published that Relictum will complete GTN token sales soon on December 2021. So we have very short time to purchase the GTN. So this is the application areas of Relictum Blockchain 5.0.
I cannot hear the audio, yeah?
Yeah, the audio is got trouble in it. I cannot hear it too.
Okay.
Okay, we can continue later. So this is the overview of Blockchain 5.0 by Relictum Pro. Thank you for your time. And please start using Relictum nodes now. Thank you very much.